So most of us by now know about the reptilians, or the Greys, but what other races dwell in the galaxy? After doing some research, I'm about to be putting y'all onto other races of aliens. We're gonna make this a little series. Let's get it. First we got Lang. Now this race comes from the Bernices constellation, and their home is deep. I'm talking 60 million light years away from us deep. This race is said to only be 60 centimeters tall, and according to my studies, they look like this. You may have seen these guys in the astral realm. This is a race who have said to have started stories about elves. In 2006 in New Zealand, it was reported that these guys were seen about 20 deep. What would you do if you seen a whole classroom full of these little guys just staring at you? Number 2, we got Reme. This race is known to be very peaceful. This is a race of scientists who have history on the Earth. They come from the Auriga constellation, which is not so far, only about 42 light years away. Keep in mind, y'all, the sun is 10 light minutes away. This race was huge in Mayan culture. They are said to have taught these Mayans about time and astronomy. According to some studies, once the Remes left the Mayans, that's when the Mayans started doing blood sacrifices and stuff like that. I'm not sure exactly why or how, but this is the info that I found. They are said to have been on Earth many times after that. Next, we got Maitale. Though this race looks freaky to the human eyes, you can see, they pose no threat to humans. This race comes from the Serpents constellation, which is 70 light years away. But they visit Earth, and they are said to have been sliding to Antarctica, where they allegedly have a base there. This race was once related to the reptilioid species. However, they're not reptilians. Their mission? Unknown. From my understanding, these are probably just researchers or scientists. Who knows though? Peace out, family.